Hello everyone, this is Max. In my videos, I share effective strategies that help generate income. They are diverse and suitable for various conditions. However, when choosing a strategy, many of you may hesitate, not knowing which one to choose for daily trading. Today, I will provide detailed information about 3 effective strategies that I use daily and have helped me consistently earn for the past 3 years. These strategies are straightforward and suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Depending on the strategy, I will use time frames of 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 5 minutes, with trade durations of 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 2 minutes. My balance is currently $2,027, and we are getting started. Get comfortable, pay close attention, and leave comments on which strategy you liked the most. Like this video, and let's go. You are on the Max Pro Trading channel. Alright, I'll get started, and if you'd like, open up this chart and simply follow along. This way you'll better absorb the information. To begin, choose the candlestick chart type. For the first strategy, you'll want to select a 1-minute time frame. The foundation of this strategy involves 3 indicators: the moving average, MACD, and stochastic. Together, these indicators clearly indicate price movement and work well for 5-minute trades. Next, let's configure the indicators in order. In the moving average indicator, change the period to 45. In the style tab, make the line white, choose a line width of 2 pixels, and save. In the MACD indicator, adjust the settings to 10/28/8. In the Style tab, make both main lines white and save to make them more visible. In the Stochastic indicator, set the parameters to 12/42. In the Style tab, make both lines white and save. That's it. The indicators are configured and all the lines are clearly visible. Now let's find a suitable situation and demonstrate how to use this strategy in practice. I identified the necessary situation, wait, and with the new candle, I open a $150 put option for 5 minutes. This strategy is one of my main methods for determining entry points and overall chart analysis. It effectively signals price direction and helps avoid false moments. The first thing to pay attention to when using this strategy is the main candles. They should be positioned below the moving average indicator line. To ensure clarity, let me explain in more detail. First, find a sustained trend. Then focus on the main candles, ensuring they stay below the white line of the moving average indicator. These moments usually repeat, and candles cannot break through the indicator line, as is the case in my current situation. Secondly, in the MACD indicator, the lines should intersect and move in the same direction as the candles. This simultaneous occurrence was previously emphasized. The lines intersect and candles only start to change their position when the main candles have rebounded from the white line. All of this happens simultaneously. Thirdly, in the stochastic indicator, 2 situations can confirm price movement. The first is when candles are just beginning to cross the danger zone line. This has occurred simultaneously in the indicator before, confirming the signal. The second situation is when the lines are just entering the danger zone in the potential direction of the trade opening, in this case, the lower zone. That's it. Remember to work in 2 situations but in the same direction as the trend. Also, pay attention to similar situations that have occurred earlier. In general, these factors together provide a high-quality signal for opening a profitable trade. But remember, this is the market. The price can change abruptly due to various factors, and the market might try to deceive you. In such moments, it's crucial to stay calm, not rush, and know how to work with additional trades. I explained how to do it correctly in this video. The price continues to fall. My trade closes, bringing me $117 in 5 minutes. This is not a significant reward for catching the right moment based on just 3 indicators and the trend direction. Now just think about how confidently one can operate by studying all or a majority of the tools that help determine the price direction. And let's continue. I find another good situation, for example, wait for a new candle and open a $150 trade for a 5-minute decrease. Let me explain in detail why I opened a trade here and how I determined a possible price change. Here, the same working principle applies, but now I am trading based on the trend reversal. In such moments, you need to adhere to clear rules and open a trade only when the MACD indicator lines are just starting to reverse and the candles are of the smallest size. In the stochastic indicator, the white lines have just crossed the danger zone line and are moving in your direction. All these facts indicate that the price in this area is overbought and a price drop is expected, with further action inside the channel, and all this is analyzed analyzed on a 1-minute time frame, and as you can see, the price is falling confidently. Honestly, there is a small secret here, and it lies on the 5-minute time frame. Here, just like on the 1-minute time frame, we see an upward trend, and let's analyze the situation in more detail, namely, drawing a resistance line through important market peaks. It can be seen that I opened a trade from the maximum position of candles that formed an upward channel throughout the day, creating quality situations for trade execution. And the most interesting thing is that every price reversal synchronously confirmed the indicators, thereby creating reliable signals over an extended period. Relying on all this, I believe that in my case, the price will continue to fall. And if you have also found similar moments on the 5-minute time frame, open the 1-minute time frame, catch the highest position of candles, and open a trade in the opposite direction when the indicators confirm the price reversal. The price continues to fall, my trade closes, and I earn $121.50, all in just 5 minutes. I've shown you how to trade with the trend and against the trend. In general, these indicators and the strategy as a whole will help you improve your understanding of trading with trends, making your trading more clear and, most importantly, rational. The rest is a matter of practice. On my balance, I already have $2,266, and in 10 minutes, I earned almost $250 using just one strategy. The success of your trading, like mine, depends directly on your ability to use different strategies. So, let's not waste time. I'm removing all the indicators and moving on to the next strategy. For this one, I'll need 3 indicators as well: parabolic, Bollinger Bands, and OSMA. These indicators, when combined, can work well on an active currency pair. By the way, don't change the time frame here. Keep it at 1 minute, but change the trade duration to 3 minutes. Now let's set everything up correctly. In the parabolic indicator, change the acceleration to 0.035 and the maximum acceleration to 0.25. In the Styles tab, choose white color, set the dot width to 2 pixels, and save. In the Bollinger Bands indicator, change the period to 8 and the deviation to 1.8. In the Styles tab, make all lines white with a width of 2 pixels and save. Now the second indicator is set up. Only OSMA is left, and here, just follow along with me and enter the values 6, 31, 8. In the Styles tab, make our histogram white and save. As I mentioned before, this strategy works well on active currency pairs. Now all I have to do is find a suitable situation and practically show you how to work with this strategy. By the way, during this time every day, I conduct joint trading sessions based on my personal signals in the closed VIP group. So, I'll continue filming the video tomorrow. For you, it will be very soon, so stay tuned. And right now, you can join my public group where I share signals in the morning and evening. You can simply copy them and earn a little too. For those who are serious about trading and want to work with high-quality signals, I provide signals from trading bots and artificial intelligence in the closed VIP group. I conduct daily joint trading sessions based on my personal signals in real time. If you want to join me, scan the QR code on the screen or follow the link in the video description using only my verified contact information. Be careful with scammers. Looking forward to seeing you on Telegram. And let's continue. Friends, before recording, I made 2 test trades. One resulted in profit and the other in a loss. In the end, I earned a whopping 50 cents. Yes, that happens. That's trading. Now I find the right situation and open a trade for an increase of $150 for 3 minutes. And now I'll explain why I opened the trade here. First, I found an active currency pair where a small upward trend formed. So let me explain in detail, step by step. First, the points of the parabolic indicator should be behind the Bollinger Bands indicator, and we only act when the third point appears. Second, the candlesticks should be behind the middle line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. In this case, they are above the middle line. And third, the candlesticks in the histogram of the OSMA indicator should change their position towards the potential trade. All these 3 facts indicate that the price will continue its movement in the direction indicated by the indicators. In this case, I believe that the price will continue to rise. This strategy is truly effective and precisely indicates the direction of the price. If you do everything right and work in the right situations, you can easily find your perfect entry point. My trade closes, and I earn another $114 in 3 minutes. All you need to do is find a currency pair and work in similar situations. Just practice. And if you want to give it a try but don't know where to start, just follow the link in the description, sign up on the platform and practice. Simply replicate my actions and start earning. Before depositing, don't forget to use my unique promo code, which will give you a 50% bonus on the deposited amount. For example, if you deposit $100 and enter my promo code, you'll get $150 in real dollars in your account. This will be especially pleasing for those who are just starting their journey into the world of trading. Let's continue. I find a similar situation on another currency pair. Increase the trade amount, and with the new candle, I open a trade for an increase with an amount of $250 for 3 minutes, and I believe the price here will continue to rise. These indicators in combination work well, complementing each other and creating truly high-quality signals, avoiding false moments. But for everything to work precisely, you need to find an active currency pair or a small trend with constant price fluctuations. Next, catch the moment when the candles start to go beyond the average line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Wait for the appearance of the third point, and in the OS-May indicator, the candles should be above or below 0 on the indicator scale. You can often encounter such situations on your chart, and every 10-20 minutes you can work with this strategy. Let's just watch and see. The price continues to rise, my trade closes, and I earn $217.50 in 3 minutes. I caught the right moment, considering all factors and working precisely according to the instructions. And as you can see, there is nothing complicated here, and it doesn't matter what level of development you have in trading. Practice carefully, and you can repeat everything exactly. I've already shown you the 5-minute and 3-minute strategies, thanks to which I've already boosted my deposit quite well. Before I show you the third strategy, you can pause the video and thoroughly review the previous strategies. I'm removing all indicators now and will now show you a simple and fast strategy based on a 30-second time frame and immediately change the trade execution time to 2 minutes. Also, don't forget to return the trade amount to your initial amount. So now I'll need 2 indicators, moving average and momentum. Now carefully adjust them one by one. In the first indicator, change the period to 5. In the View tab, make the line white, choose a line width of 2 pixels, and then save. In the second indicator, change the period to 25. In the View tab, make the line blue, choose a line width of 2 pixels, and save. The moving averages are set. Now let's set up the momentum indicator. Simply change the period to 12. In the View tab, you can choose any color to display the candlesticks in the histogram. I chose white and then save. These indicators in combination provide good signals for opening trades on short time frames. Now it's just a matter of finding a suitable currency pair and demonstrating how this strategy works in practice. The price suddenly starts to rise, and at this moment I opened a trade for an increase with an amount of $150 for 2 minutes. While the trade is processing, let's consider why I opened the trade at this specific moment. Don't rush to chase the market, and remember that the price can change sharply. It's better to wait for 2-3 candles before opening an additional trade if you decide to do so. Now let's just observe how the situation develops, and after the trade is completed, I'll explain to you in detail how to capture such moments. My trade closes, bringing me $124.50 in 2 minutes. Now let me tell you what to pay attention to. First, wait for the moment when the white line only intersects with the blue line. Second, the candles in the momentum indicator should move in your direction. And that's all you need to find, and it's genuinely straightforward. Let me show you another example. I find a decent situation, wait for it, and with the new candle, I open a $150 trade for 2 minutes. You see, I rushed a bit here and didn't wait for the white line to cross the blue one. This is a bit incorrect. And even though the candles in the momentum indicator confirm the direction of the price in this area, I strongly recommend opening a trade only when the white line crosses the blue one. That's the essence of this strategy. You should open a trade with a new candle. So I increase the trade amount, wait for a new candle, and open another trade when the white line has just crossed the blue line. Note that I opened the trade in the direction of the white line, in this case, upward. The candles in the momentum indicator confirm the movement of the price in my direction. So let's just watch. price continues to rise and my trade closes, bringing me $132 in 2 minutes. All you need to remember is to open a trade when the lines cross in the direction of the white line. The momentum indicator should confirm the direction of the price. By trading with the trend, you can avoid false signals and improve the quality of your trading. My trade closes, bringing me an additional $220. As you can see, the strategy is truly effective and anyone can do it. The key is not to rush. Trading is not a sprint but a marathon. So be patient, practice more, work with different strategies, and sooner or later, you'll find your comfortable method for consistent earnings. Trading is a challenging journey to easy money, and each of you will succeed, just as I did once. On my balance, there is $3,074, and in this video, I used 30-second, 1 minute, and 5-minute time frames. The duration for trade execution varied as well, 2, 3, and 5 minutes. In summary, today I demonstrated 3 effective strategies that will suit each of you. Give a like to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon not to miss new videos that will help you earn. Leave your comments, and in the next video, I will choose the best comment and send $50 to its author. Join me on Telegram. Write to me right now. This was Max. Good luck in trading and see you in the next video.